Can you believe it? €200 per kilo. And we used to use this for free years ago. It is called rock seaweed. It's where the seaweed, it's where it grows in Sicily here, where the fresh water runs into seawater and it hangs onto the rock. And now it's very good, but it is truly insane, the price. Ciao.
I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Here right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment.
Let's start from the beginning. Zario sent us a picture. Seaweed. Start from when we were younger.
With a little bit of salt.
Did we ever have to pay for seaweed when we were younger?
Seaweeds were free.
Exactly.
Nobody wanted it.
Now,
Is
but this bit here,
€200 per kilo.
30.
€200 per kilo.
That's crazy. This bit,
Just a little
35
bit.
was €35.
Just a little bit, €35.
That's crazy. So now, okay, now you wash and salt, and
I
then
wash it with salt,
yes,
and we have the pot with water.
yes,
When the water starts to boil,
steam. Yeah,
we throw it in.
Okay.
When-
How long? Like spaghetti?
No, when we start boiling, we shut it off.
Okay.
So it's 2 minutes.
And then what do you add to it later? What is Lord?
Then Loredana will put in a frying pan
Yes,
with vinegar. No, first tomato.
yes.
Che ci metti allora? Tomato,
Tomato, aglio,
garlic,
Garlic, onion,
onion.
onion? No,
no,
no. Garlic. Okay.
No onion.
e un po' di prezzemolo che lo prendi.
Parsley,
Parsley.
and when it's
Vinegar.
soft, put the vinegar, put the cover on.
Oh, and let it sit.
2 minutes.
Done.
Weary eyes come.
And then once that then into here, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic.
Yonder to sing the joyful chorus sweet.
Orazio, you think we can make this all work again?
I love that.
Oh, me too. Like Joan says, I don't care what it costs. I want seaweed.
Asking light, 'tis the time to greet the morning. Come now, step out.
Are you saying this recipe not too many people know? The seaweed recipe?
It's a very old recipe. The seaweed is disappearing,
Yes, I know.
and very few people know.
It's great, I know.
So, to be an original one, people would be.
Listen to the sizzle. Oh, Lord God.
No, Orazio si deve scolare.
Yeah.
Mi prendi qualcosa, un attimo. Sì, perché...
È lavandina questo.
Sì, arrivo. Dammi.
Oh, and then
Se no lo perdiamo tutto.
perfect. Okay. Now, that's a great idea, Lord God. Perfect.
Yeah, with the cost,
Yes.
you have to take every little bit of it.
Yes. That little bit is €35. At 50 Canadian dollars.
Yeah.
Isn't that just delicious?
It's,
Oh my goodness.
now you have to wait for the master touch.
A master's
The
touch.
master touch is when she will put the other vinegar
Oh yeah.
and cover up. It's a master touch.
Here in the afternoon, God, I think of you.
Loredana is going to now soon for the vinegar, the master's touch.
The master touch.
Okay. Fantastic.
Devono prendere, sai Orazio?
You see, it's very important because if you put too much,
Yes.
If you put too little,
Yes,
it's
that's not-
nice. So
yeah,
that's why
exactly.
they call the mustard sauce.
Yes. And she doesn't measure. It's more.
no, by
It's
eye,
what's it
by
called?
eye.
Would you put my mind to rest?
Correct?
Oh, smell. You smell. Ah.
You smell now. And that's what
Oh, fantastic. And today Laura Donna is making, this is the small zucchini. Did you use the flour? No? No flour, okay. And this Santos sent you this? Laura Donna?
Yes, yes.
What are they called again? The ones in the set?
Torre,
Okay. And, oh, is that the octopus you bought yesterday?
yes.
Ah, fantastic. Okay. Very good. Okay.
It's written in the stars that your love will keep.
Where's that wine from, Orazio? Sicilian?
yes, Grillo, sì.
Grillo.
From near Marsala, Trapani.
Okay. Near Marsala? Ah, perfect. Okay.
Yes, the land of Grillo.
Would you come and lift me up?
Wow. This is a real treat again. Wow. I love that. Joan, look at this. Yes, Joan, of course.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. It's where I belong.
And this Santos sent you this?
Yes.
What are they called again? The ones in the set?
Torre.
Okay. And, oh, is that the octopus you bought yesterday?
Yes.
Ah, fantastic. Okay. Very good. Okay.
Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free. There is a light shining for you, guiding your way, helping you through. And shadows and gloom are all that you see. We'll find a place where we can be free. From the mountain top down to the deepest valley, hear a voice calling you. It's the rising sun shining in the darkest alley. Can't you see you will be free? I have been far, I have been wide, searching for peace, somewhere to hide. Now I am free, open and pure.
Where are we?
We are at Centro Penthouse.
Yes, beautiful, no?
Sarah Penthouse right on the waterfront.
Okay, so now, what are we looking at over there,
That's
Orazio?
the commercial pier report.
Commercial pier. Very beautiful. Okay.
This along the water road takes you to the the village of Torre.
Torre. Where does Torre start? Just up this way or no?
That way about 2 kilometers.
Ah, okay. And you say Santos? So all those people are sunbathing down there, right?
Yeah. In this direction,
Yes.
about 3 miles,
Oh.
there is a place it's called in Sicilian Sicca, which means dry.
Okay.
The water from 1,000 meter deep goes to maybe 60 meter.
It comes
There
up.
is a mountain. The water there is lukewarm.
No.
Yeah, and it's a very rich
It's a-
fishing spot.
They're like a mineral spa almost. Yeah.
So
Oh,
we'd be
fantastic.
halfway to Cologne.
No, it's about 3 miles. Calabria may be what, 100 miles?
Oh, that far.
No, Calabria isn't 100 miles from here. No.
So 3
No?
No. Well, you think so?
Well, think that from here to Messina is 60 kilometers. So
yeah.
maybe you're right. No, maybe 70 miles.
Lights go out. I can finally see what it's all about. Standing in the mirror when the lights go out.
And that comes
A
up.
volcano, a volcano.
Oh, a volcano spring. Ah.
Things like we saw in the island of Volcano.
And
The
the,
water is
yeah.
warm.
But the other day,
Fishing, everybody goes there fishing.
but the other day when Santos brought those snails, he digs them right out where those people are sunbathing.
Yeah, right there, where the water is that deep.